viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and today we are going to add new token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Subscriber sent to me message he want to use DAI Coin with Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So in this video I'm giving to complete information how to add DAI token or DAI Coin in your Binance main interface, and you can easily use. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Cryptocurrency, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get the same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Also like, subscribe this channel, and please share with your family and friend. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to open CoinMarketCap, and we will check the rank of DAI Coin in crypto market. So going to first of all open CoinMarketCap. Now CoinMarketCap is going to open in front of me. Then we will check the rank of DAI. Also visit the official website if they have. It's maybe take some time. Now you can see here CoinMarketCap is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is almost $24,000. Yes, $23,881, and almost Ethereum is $1,900. So if we are going to check the DAI, the top 100 list, so the rank is, I'm going to check the top 100 list. Yes, you can see here on 15 number rank DAI token. This is a decentralized token and also stable coin like USDT. And if you need to add this token on your Binance Smart Chain Wallet, simple click on it, and then you can see here the DAI price is equal to $1, almost 0.9985 cents, means almost $1. Okay, and if you can see here, they are shown Ethereum network, means you can use DAI on Ethereum network. We will also check this token on BSC scan, and if I click on all, so you can see here there will be shown the price graph of DAI. This is stable coin, so that the price mostly stable. Only one time DAI touch $1.09 in history. And you can also read the article about DAI. DAI is an Ethereum-based stablecoin, whole insurance and development and managed by the Market Protocol and MakerDAO decentralized autonomous organization. And you can also trade this token on these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, FTX, big exchanges available, KuCoin. It's depend on you. I'm not giving to any financial advice. If you want to buy or sell, it's depend on you. Okay, this is official website, MakerDAO. Now MakerDAO is website is open in front of me. A better, smarter currency DAI can be used by anyone, anywhere, anytime. Use DAI. And it's maybe you can also download the official wallet of this token. I think is available on this website. but you can search on your behalf. I just giving you information how to add this token in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So now simple going to click on this contracted as. We have already used Binance Smart Chain wallet with coin, but this token is developed on Ethereum, so we are going to add this token on Ethereum network. Simple click on icon of Binance Smart Chain wallet. I have clicked on it. Now it maybe take some time. Got it. This is the contract address of DAI. I just simple copy, open Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now you can see here Binance Smart Chain wallet is going to open in front of me. Then I will use this contract address for adding DAI token. Simple enter my password here and click on unlock. Now you can see here we have already add ADA, LTC, TRX or XRP on Binance Smart Chain using with BNB Smart Chain network. But today we are going to add DAI so I can change the network from my network area. You can see here there is shown Ethereum, second option. Click on it. When you click on it, so Ethereum network will be selected and there is shown only sand. So if you need to add DAI token on your this wallet, simple click on plus button and then click on custom assets. And if your network is correct and also your contract address is correct, then your all information about token will be shown on this tab. So going to paste here contract address, which is we have copied from Etherscan data. You can see here when I paste here, so all information shown in front of me like DAI stablecoin and decimal, and also contract address is available here, which is we have copied. And you just simple click on add assets. Now we have successfully add new coin in our Binance Smart Chain DAI, but using Ethereum network. So if you need to deposit on this wallet, simple click on this wallet and you just simple click on the C button, and then this wallet address is available here. So as I hope you properly understand how can you add DAI token or coin at your Binance Smart Chain wallet with using Ethereum mainnet. So if I'm going to check BSC scan and also going to check DAI contract address is available on BSC scan or not. So you just simple open BSC scan and type here DAI. So I think there is not available, so that there is not shown any address, but I'm going to search. It may be available. Yes, you can see here DAI the page. You just simple click on it and you can also copy this contract address which is available on BSC scan. This is the contract address I am going to copy, and you can use same scenario like we have already added in Ethereum network. Just simple copy contract address, open the click on the plus button, then open the contract custom assets and then paste your contract address, so your token will be shown in front of you also in Binance Smart Chain wallet. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you add DAI token in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. I have add in Ethereum. You can also use same scenario and you can easily add in Binance Smart Chain network. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can see here I just again click on Binance Smart Chain. You can use same scenario which is I have used, and then click on plus button. Okay viewers, simple click on plus button and go to the customer account and paste your address, so your coin will be shown in front of you. So please, if you get same information in Urdu language, you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.